All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about some competition for Snap-on. A while ago I did a video talking about these extended reach swivel sockets from Snap-on, and the part number on this one is PFSXM914B, 14 millimeter. And I talked about how great these are when you work on Toyotas and Hondas and stuff like that in 10, 12, 14. Well, one of the problems was I didn't have a 13. And if you watch my channel, well, you know I don't have a Snap-on guy. We still don't have a Snap-on guy. And I kept going back and going, I want a 13. You know, a lot of batteries for GM products and Chrysler products are 13 millimeters. I use 13 a good bit, so I wanted a 13. So I kept thinking about it, you know, go on the Snap-on site, order one. Now, let me try something a little different. So I'm gonna try them out, but I got the Gearwrench, not a sponsor, X-Core set from 8 millimeter up to 15. So this will give me a broader reach of sockets at a lot less money, because I think those are like 60 bucks a piece. And this was like 130 bucks plus, you know, Amazon Prime, so no shipping. Now on the X-Core, which is a copy of the originally Armstrong design that, if you're familiar, Matco still has, and they have manufactured by AJ Manufacturing, but it's a pinless design and it does a lot of good things. I actually prefer the Matco over the Snap-on because of the pinless design. Most of my impact swivels are Matco for good reason. Don't listen to the Snap-on guy and say the pin gives you better than. No, it does not. The pinless does. Now the X-Core line that copies the Matco design, Armstrong, I've heard is not as good as the Matco US made stuff. So I'm a little concerned about it, considering, you know, I'm buying them. But I figured as long as these are through an extension, they're gonna soak up some of the impacting force. If you've used any of these type of socket extension types, they soak up some power. Any extension does. So I'm less concerned about it in this application, but if I was looking at the, you know, half-inch drive, I'd be really concerned about it, considering how hard I hit my Matco impact swivels. I mean, I'd be concerned. But these, not so much. Mostly going to use them with my Milwaukee stubbies, but it gives me a greater reach. And I like that, because grabbing one tool instead of grabbing an extension and a swivel, yada, 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 grab one tool. So I'm gonna do my best to see if I can break these. We'll see. I mean, I'm gonna use them as hard as I can and I'm gonna report back. But so far, overall, I'm impressed. They're spring loaded. So when you push down on a fastener, there is a spring there. Whereas with the Snap-on, it's just hard base. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Got to test them to find out. Again, this is just initial impressions. Seem good, so we'll see how they do. I will put a link to these tools in the comments. If you want to help the channel out and buy it through the Amazon store, appreciate it. If not, I'll put the part number up there too, so you can just Google search, okay? I hope you like this first look at the Gearwrench, not a sponsor, long reach swivels. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.